So my background is as a contemporary dance artist, and I was working in companies in the UK up until about 8 years ago, at which point I started Pell Ensemble. And we kind of have always made work about technology or with technology. Alongside this, I was part of Questlab Network just the year before Divya. So kind of lots of really amazing discussions around technology, how to use it, how we consider it in our dance practices, and a lot of really interesting, inspirational experiences there. I was also a part of Lou Cope's doing dramaturgy, which I know Divya was as well. And kind of marrying those two spaces together have really made me be both um, be both very excited about what dance and digital can do together, but I think more deeply consider it in its storytelling potential and how we what are the processes that surround the way that we make, and making those processes, also how we find shared languages with the collaborators that we're working with, because they come from very different creative and technical backgrounds than we do. So a lot of it's finding all of those things being in the space together, and also the opportunities that those provide. Also, currently, I'm doing an MA at UWE Bristol on virtual and extended realities. So I'm kind of further deepening my knowledge, both of what technology is out there right now, and also some of the creative possibilities for it, also some of the ethical questions around it as well. So I'm kind of bringing all of this into this space with me. Yeah.